The most recent development that I think everyone is probably most interested in is the revelations that we've heard from an important Icelandic newspaper in the past week about the key witness, the key US witness and source, Siggi Þórðarson. These are important revelations which are backed up through an extensive and in-depth investigative report by award-winning Icelandic journalists, showing that the basis for the second superseding indictment, and importantly, that's the indictment which included hacking allegations which have never previously been made against Julian, which was based upon Mr. Þórðarsson's testimony and evidence, was served on Julian on the first day of the extradition proceedings in September 2020, when we'd already served all the evidence, we'd already served all the submissions, we'd already made all our legal arguments, and then suddenly the US was presenting a whole entire new case, which we didn't have any opportunity to properly or reasonably engage with before the extradition proceedings. Now, following an in-depth investigative process by leading Icelandic journalists, we not only know that the US engaged in questionable legal, arguably unlawful evidence-gathering activities in Iceland, which the Icelandic government is concerned about, but second, that this key witness not only has no credibility, we know that he's a convicted criminal, having been convicted in relation to sexual abuse in respect of minors and fraud-related offences, that the US case has no factual basis. Now, that is a question now for the Department of Justice. In terms of what we can do legally in the UK, we have done everything that we can do. We have challenged the extradition, we won the case, the US is now appealing, and we will continue to argue for that. The question is now for the Department of Justice about whether this is an indictment that they ought to be pursuing.